Okay, feeling good about this thing. Got her all freaking set up. Got the motor working. Had to swap all wires because that's why it didn't work the first time. I'm gonna put the controller and everything in the box, and I'll build another battery box on top. There she is. I got the big freaking QS. I think it's a 273 running. And then I got the amp BMS all hooked up and working. My battery's 84 volts, 35 amp hours. This is gonna be a fun machine. I do say so myself. Yeah, that's it. There, check it out. Watch this. Bam. There for a second. There we go. There we go. Alright, let's get this puppy rolling. I haven't put the box in yet because I haven't gotten that far. Oh, it totally helps to plug it in. Little spark. Little spark. Let's show action. Better hurry up. It looks like it's starting to sprinkle. We got this rat cold. Not that I care. There she is. Hold on, let's kick the power up a bit. I only got the current turned down to 72. I bet if I cranked it up to 100.